In this video, I'm going to answer all of your questions about Amazon FBA retail arbitrage. We are going to talk about what's retail arbitrage on Amazon, how should you know if it is right for you, and how to get ungated for different categories on Amazon. In a few minutes, we are going to a retail store. We are going to scan a few products, analyze them together with the Amazon Seller app. And finally, I'm going to share my golden rules about minimum product sales rank, maximum FBA sellers on a single product, and how much you should sell in order to be profitable. Welcome back, my name is Ali Rastagari with another valuable video about Amazon FBA. If you watch my videos and follow this channel, you probably know that all I talk about is Amazon FBA private label. In this channel, I shared my strategies and how I get reviews. I talk about ManyChat tutorial, how you should design your insert card. But other than private label, there are other ways you can make money on Amazon as well. So since a few people asked me about retail arbitrage, I decided to make a vlog for you today. So in a few minutes, we are going to a retail arbitrage to dollar store. We are going to scan some products with the Amazon Seller app, which I'll show you exactly the step-by-step tutorial and how you can do it as well. So I tried to scan at least one or two products from different categories, including toys, home improvement, kitchen and cleaning, and even food. So you can scan these products with me at the same time and see if you are gated or not for these categories on Amazon. So make sure you watch until the end of this video. So every time I pick a product, I'll try to show the barcode to you as well. So in order to get familiar with the process and your numbers, I mean shipping fees, FBA fees, Amazon referral, and how arbitrage works, just pause the video whenever I show you a product and open your Amazon Seller app, which I'll discuss later in this video. And on the top right corner, click on the camera and scan these barcodes with me so you'll get a sense of how it works. Before we get started, do me a favor and click on the thumbs up button, letting the YouTube world know that this video here has value, and make sure you subscribe to my channel. There are lots of valuable Amazon FBA content here. So without further ado, let's get into retail arbitrage for Amazon FBA. Now, I'm going to answer 3 common questions I get asked a lot. What's retail arbitrage? How should I know if it works? And how can I get ungated? So these are the 3 most common questions I get asked a lot. So what's retail arbitrage? You simply buy products cheap, usually with a 30 to a 50% discount from a distributor or a retailer like Walmart or Best Buy, and sell them on Amazon or eBay or other platforms. But in this video, we focus on Amazon platform. So imagine you go into Walmart store and find a toy on sale. Imagine a $30 toy is being sold for $10, which means $20 off. Let's say you buy 10 or 20 toys for the discounted price and sell for, let's say, $30. So you're selling it for $30, which gives you a great profit margin. Even after calculating your buying price, your Amazon commission, Amazon packing and fulfillment fees, still you're making profit. Next common questions: how should I know if retail arbitrage works for me, and how can I get ungated for these categories on Amazon? The reality is that a product that is being sold for $20 on Amazon may not sell at the same price on Walmart or dollar store. A lot of toys or beauty products are selling for $20 to $30 on Amazon, but every month Walmart lists them for clearance sales with at least 50% discount for just $15. So what you can do is that you can buy 10 pieces of that product from Walmart and upload your invoice or receipt on Amazon Seller Central in order to get ungated for that category and be able to set that product and sell those 10 pieces for $30 each. It seems a sweet deal, right? Well, it's not that easy. There are awesome opportunities or products out there, but sometimes you should scan like at least 100 products to find a good one. And some days you find nothing, but I'm sure there will be days that you go back at home with $500 worth of inventory and a car full of boxes. Now that we are done with the basics and we have the right mindset, it is time to retail arbitrage. So this is not a product that you want to resell on Amazon, but I'll start with 2 or 3 simple products just to get warm up. So this one here, as you can see, it requires approval. So you can just click on the request. Sometimes it automatically approves your account to be able to sell this product. But if that is not the case, don't worry. You can just upload your invoice or receipt from your distributor or retailer like Walmart and upload it on Amazon in order to get ungated. So I already searched for this one. It has low price, no profit margin, 20 FBA sellers, no sales rank, so no. So this one is just for $3 and the buy box price on Amazon is $8. So which is more than 2x, which is really good. The sales rank is 31,000, which is more than 50,000, so I won't recommend it. A golden rule, go for products less than 50,000 sales rank and with less than 4 or maximum 5 FBA sellers. For your profit margin, as a general rule of thumb, if you can sell the product for 2 times or 2x, it is a good product. For example, if you buy them for $20 and sell them for $40, which is 2x, you will probably have a decent amount of profit. But if you are buying something for $20 and you sell it for, let's say, $30, which is 1.5x, chances are very low that you make any profit.
Our sanitary standards. We have increased cleaning frequency and sanitization of objects in our stores, such as shopping.
This body lotion is for $4 here at Dollar Store, and on Amazon it's being sold for $24. So I'm going to show you how to calculate your profit. So open your Amazon Seller app, or if you don't have it, just download it from your Apple Store. And make sure you click on Amazon Fulfilled, because most of Amazon customers buy only with the Prime. and is only possible if you're using FBA. You can click here to add your product price and calculate your profit. So make sure in here the cost of purchase and shipping on Amazon, you enter your numbers. Usually, since you send at least 20 units to Amazon Fulfillment Center, and usually a box costs $20 to ship, it costs around $1, between 80 cents to $1 for every product. So it is a good general rule of thumb if you want to calculate your profit for each product to enter $1 for every product. So this is cheap, just $1, and it is being sold for $16 on Amazon, which is amazing. So as you can see, there are no restrictions. Amazon doesn't sell it. Only 3 FBA sellers or 3 FBA offers, but no sales rank. So next one. So before we talk about this product, I want to just talk about an important point. So most of the items in this store have this green, yellow price tag. For some products, this price is printed on the box because it is for the brand, and you can sell them. Why? Because just imagine a customer orders $20 product on Amazon and it receives a product with a $3 price tag. So the next day you are going to have a negative review, a negative seller feedback, and the customer is going to return that product. So what you want to do instead is to touch these price tags and make sure if they are labeled, not printed, so you can remove them later. And if they're labeled, you can just continue and scan. Now look at this one, Checkers. It is for $4. You can sell it on Amazon for $13. So the next product is this Chinese Checkers, which is just for $4. It is listed for $13 on Amazon, and it has a 6,000 sales rank, which is great. It has 36 reviews. Check out the offers, they're all Amazon Prime. Click on the Amazon Fulfilled and enter your numbers to see how much is your profit margin and decide whether you want to give it a try or not. Now, let's get out of this dollar store. So as usual, there are some few words between me and you that I would always love to share. So if you have been watching YouTube videos for a while now, it is time to start. I highly recommend to write it in your to-do list tonight or tomorrow. Allocate 2 hours at least, go to a Walmart store or your retail store and just scan 10 products, just 10 products, and get comfortable with the process. Because it's not rocket science, you just have to experience it and just give it a try. Just do it and do not let other people's opinions stop you from following your goals. You should start it as soon as possible. So hopefully this video gave you a better idea of where to start your retail arbitrage. If you have got any questions, make sure to leave them in the comment section, and I'll try my best to answer all of your questions as soon as possible. If you've got value from this video, please subscribe to my channel for future Amazon FBA tips and give this video a thumbs up, letting the YouTube know that this video here has value. So make sure you watch one of these videos here. There is lots of valuable content in these videos which you don't want to miss. Just click on one of them right now so you don't miss anything. Looking forward to your success and see you in the next video.